Ungubani mama?
Mina nguMankatha lapha ngisebenza eCholotsho ngumongikazi. Siyathaba sibili ngoba besingalamanzi for the past about 11 years amanzi ade hlupha. Khathesi we've got constant supply of water to maternity, to all other wards, even the community at large.
So amanzi laza benefit abantu abaningi.
Abaningi kakhulu labasefusini labasemvundlana seBhabhu. Yela se laundry hayi kuyabe kuzaba lamanzi amahle sibili asadubeki inkinga bekuthi even noma kungalamagetsi amanzi ade bengekho. So I guess we are going to have
Lawo ngayesola lawo.
Solar is every day, every time we are going to have as long
Nxa kulelanga kuphela.
elingashoti.
Alishoti ngapha.
But in Africa we are blessed because ilanga lethu is always there.
Njengalapha eCholotsho vele kuyachisa.
Kwini ngakutsho kuma diaspora lalele kathi sibasiza indawo yakibo.
Mina ngakutsho nje bana sokulamanzi ukwenza ukuthi si control infection control kakhulu. Bekungaba njani ukuthi sizuze o washing machine
Washela izigulane.
Izigulane so that i-laundry department ivuselelwe kakhulu. I-laundry department sibe le constantly clean linen for our clients ngoba khathesi abantu bavoxa ngenyawo akula machine ayinwa. So that will be providing quality care to our patients.
Equally khala ngama washing machine la.
Konke le ironing like what we used to have in other hospitals, they've got a washing machine as well as ama roller coaster irons.
Hayi siyabonga mama.